You got spoiled. What is it? Okay, open it up.
Open it up.
Oh, yeah. Monkeys! Is that monkeys? Monkey jammies! Oh, you needed those. Yay! What's in the other one?
Yeah, this one too. This one here.
Those monkey jammies are sure cute, huh?
Yeah.
What is that? Frog jammies. Can you hold it up so Mommy can see your frog jammies?
Here, look. Show Mom.
Show Mommy your froggy jammies. Oh, they're so pretty.